What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is February 18th, 2020. I turned 40 yesterday, and today, here I am. It's crazy. Yesterday, I was coming home from Florida. Like, it's crazy to me how, like that, you know, you're on one side of the country, and the next you're right back where you started from, man. It's crazy. I'm a little tired. We're going to jump into this Copart walk around for your, excuse me, it is freezing out here, just cold and kind of windy. We're going to jump into this Copart walk around for your Tuesday. Today is auction day, and we're going to start with the 2017 Infinity. What is this, a QX80? An 80? Wow. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't know much about Infinities and all the weird designations they give, but I'll tell you what, man, this sucker is massive. I mean, look at the front end on this thing. Is that not intimidating? I mean, this thing just looks mean. Look at the rims on this bad boy. They're huge. What size are these? Let me see. These things are 22s, man. Factory 22s. Massive rims. It's the 5.6 liter. I love it. And as far as the damage, to me, I don't know, there may be more in the back that I haven't seen, but this doesn't look that bad. Headlight, the bumper is probably trash. Actually, the bumper, no, it's trash. It's broken right there. Bumper, headlight, probably a header panel back there. See this fender? Yeah, fender in this door. And that looks like it. 49,000 miles on an Infinity. That's nothing. That's nothing. The rest of the SUV looks very, very clean. Let's see if we can not hit this car here. Okay, so we got side bags blown. That I did not see in the pictures. Oh, all the way down, look at that. Those side bags were in the whole length. It's all one bag or what? Or are these multiple bags? I would think they'd be multiple bags, but it almost looks like it's one continuous airbag all the way. It is all the way back. Wow. Good night. Okay. Look at those seats though. That's what gets me, man, is the seats. Oh, they're just as comfortable as they look too. Look at that. Oh, it smells good. I bet it starts right up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, starts right up, man. Maintenance due for engine oil. Thank you. And oil filter. Thank you. And tire maintenance. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Golly, are we done yet? Oh man, guys. The seat is I thought the Marauder was comfortable. Please forget that little cough I got. I'm almost better. Not quite, but I thought the Marauder was comfortable. Oh man, no, these seats are something special right here. These seats are something real special. They fit just right, man. I mean, like, oh wow. Okay. That's enough screwing around. Obviously, I'm late. As usual, I am never out here recording on a Tuesday. Today is auction day. This is not the day to be out here recording. But because I'm tired from my trip, and I didn't even get in till yesterday, I wasn't able to come out here yesterday and do anything. Actually, the header panel, core support here, everything looks good under here, guys. This is metal. I thought this might be some type of plastic that would have been broken. A lot of these are like plastic or an epoxy type, not an epoxy. Get it together, Randy. There's some type of a plastic or fiberglass type thing, and a lot of times they break, but this is all metal back here. So yeah, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I can see down there, that's all metal. This thing was really totaled over a door, a fender, a bumper, and a headlight. That's crazy to me. That's crazy. With such low miles on it too. What do you guys think? I don't think I'm missing anything here either. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Look at those headlights too. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. For an SUV, I'm not a big SUV guy, but for an SUV, I absolutely am in love with this thing. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next, staying true to my Panther platform, it's a 2007 Lincoln Town Car that's supposed to only have 38,000 miles on it and a salvage title. I'll show you in a minute. It's ridiculous from what I've seen in the pictures. This thing is perfect. This is $1,000 right here. It's a signature, so it's not like your top of the line or anything, but it's a 38,000 mile Panther platform. Guys, this thing's gonna last forever. Hold on. Okay, I don't want to get cut in half here. Look at her, man. She's beautiful. I gotta stop with the Fords though. I'm sure you guys are getting tired of seeing Fords on the channel, right? Comment below. Comment below. Are you tired of seeing Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury? If not, we'll keep getting them, because this thing is phenomenal, guys. I mean, seriously, this thing is in great condition. Michelin tires. They've got okay tread. We got a little damage right here, but this is salvaged. Salvage title because of front end damage right here. You see this front end damage right there? The bumper? Yeah, it's salvaged because of that. And it looks like it maybe did a little damage under here. But the condenser looks fine. Everything under there looks all right. Chances are, guys, it bent that piece, that the core support, it may have bent it. And that's what salvaged it. Not that it's ever going to affect anything at all. This thing will probably run and drive fine for the rest of its natural life. Oh, the seats in this. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Boy, these seats feel good. I bet it starts right up too. A little power steering whine going on there. My other Lincoln does it too when it's really cold out. You see how quick it goes away? Look at this. It's all in good shape, very clean. It's got a full tank of gas. Hey, you can't beat that. Let's give it a little throttle. No rattles. Oil was just changed. I don't know if you can see that, but the oil was just changed. Oil is due 5 of 19 at 40,000 miles. Okay, so the oil wasn't just changed, but the oil was changed before the wreck, apparently. Parking aid on and off. I do hear the power steering pump whining a bit. Wonder if we... No, it's working fine. Got the sunroof too. This car is sitting at $1,000, guys. $1,000. We've got an original equipment Motorcraft battery. Wow. What a diamond in the rough, man. I mean, this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say diamond in the rough. Like, this is it. Look at the level of the coolant. It's full. All right. The power steering fluid is full. So nothing is leaking. This is a car. Ladies and gentlemen, it's $1,000 effing dollars. $1,000. Can you believe that? $1,000 for an 07 town car with 38,000 miles on the odometer. This thing will last like 10 plus more years if you take care of it. A little dirty, real dirty. It's real dirty, but she'll clean up, man. She will absolutely clean up. This is going to be one of those easy rebuilds, easy flips, guys. Nothing to it. And man, she is clean and so comfortable. So comfortable. I don't know. Should I do it? Should I do it? This is one. There's two that there's three I'm interested in this week. Two of them are at this auction. One is in Kansas City. But I'm not going to tell you what that one is, because that one's it's another kind of special one. It sounds good. It sounds real healthy. Shifts right into gear. Like this is one. Oh, we got heated seats here too. I don't know if my other one has that or not. It doesn't look like they work though. 38,000 miles and something's broken in it, really? I guess so. Huh. That's, I find that to be a little odd. Oh no, it works. It works, you just can't see the light. Yeah, it's on. It's on, I just couldn't see the light. See it? It's hard for me to see it. It's there. What would you guys do? Let's move on to the next one. Next, we got a little bit of Carnage. 2014 Chevy Cruze. Boy, this one hits a little close to home for me. It looks just like the one I just sold. The one that I had for the last 4+ years, over 4 years. Yeah, Chevy Cruze Eco. Same rims, same color. Sold that thing for $3,500 with 175,000-ish miles on it. Wow. What, that thing took a bad hit, man. Wow. I mean, just seeing it mangled like this, the timing chain hanging out, the engine twisted. Good Lord. All right. Let's take a look at the inside real quick and move on to the next one. The good news is, though, I mean, it was a bad wreck. This was obviously a really bad wreck, but look at the interior. You know what I mean? That was a nasty hit. And it looks like people in here were just fine. I'll tell you what, though, this little Kia Soul didn't fare nearly as well as the Chevy Cruze. Boy, this one, that's... Man. Look how it buckled the roof, too. I mean, that was bad. Real bad. Back doors overlapping. Almost, I don't know, man. Nice rims, though. I mean, it was a nice ride before the wreck. But good God, look at that again. I mean, it just twisted everything. That's crazy. Next, boys and girls, this is the second one that I'm very interested in this week. I know, old school GM, always. 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. This is the GT. There's a difference between the SE and the GT, okay? For those of you that don't know. Look at her. Sunroof, got these special windows that tend to break, and this one is broken. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but that window breaks. Very common. It's missing the louver back here. It's probably inside so that they could jump start it, or at least try jump start. So this is a non-runner. Let's see. We got BF Goodrich radial TAs. Look at the tread on these bad boys. Wow. Wish the Marauder had tread like that when I bought it. Man, she's clean. 4 exhaust pipes, don't let that fool you. It's not a particularly fast car. It's geared right, so it feels pretty decent. I don't know what's going on with this window here. I don't want to take that off though, but this is a no start. The GT came with a 2.8 liter V6. Same 2.8 liter they put in pretty much everything back then. You had 2 choices of engines. You had the 2.8 and you had the Iron Duke, man. Ugh. Let's see here. Here's the gauges. Boy, that steering wheel is just falling apart. Yeah. Nothing going on there. This window is here, so that's good news. It's obviously just stuck down, so they covered it up. Now, the problem is I don't remember where the fuel tank, or the hood release is, so give me a minute to figure that out. We'll come back and pop the hood. All right, so to give you an idea of what it all looks like, in case you haven't seen a Pontiac Fiero before, this would be the frunk, the hood / trunk. Not really any room to store stuff in here. You know what I mean? This car did not come with a whole lot of trunk space. This is where you would store, I don't know, your toddler, maybe. There's the other cover for the battery right there. So it's good that that does come with it. I've already tried to crank it. It does crank over. It does not start, so it's as listed. It has oil, but it does not have any coolant. Another thing I noticed looking down there, what do you see? Right there? Those are aftermarket headers. That's right, this car has aftermarket headers on it. The water pump has been recently replaced right there. It's very shiny, looks very new. It's got aftermarket clamps. It pays to come out here and really just take a closer look at everything. There's your manual gearbox right there. I'm not sure what these cutouts are right here. As you can see, it doesn't go to anything, but it appears to be welded onto the backside here. And there's another one right here. I'm not sure what that is or what that goes to. very interesting. These headers, these are really nice. Like, these headers really look nice. I could sit here and check for spark and things, but I mean, I'm not going to. I don't have the time to mess with all this today. But overall, like, the engine looks to be in great shape. The heads honestly look like they were fairly recently installed. They're very clean. All of this is just very clean. Someone's put some work into this motor. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's something simple, you know? It could be a bad coil, it could be a bad fuel pump, it could be bad gas. It's really hard to say. But this is another one. I'm very interested in it. I'm gonna watch the bids and see where they go. But truthfully, if I had to choose between this and the Lincoln, I'd take the Lincoln. Last on my list, a 2016 E400 AMG. This is twin turbo, guys. What a beautiful car. Man, I love this. I do. What do you guys think? I'm thinking this is a flood, because I don't see anything wrong with the body really at all, other than a slight dent in the front end over there. It's got the tow hook out. Obviously it was pulled. Let's do a sniff test. Oh, that's flood. Yeah, that's for sure water. Woo, boy, that smells rough. That smells real rough. Dang. Yeah, flood cars are something I've always been really interested in. Oh yeah, they've taken this apart. They sure did. Yeah, they were going to try to salvage it. Just didn't work out, I guess. I'd be willing to bet the motor's locked up. You can see they've already opened this up right here. All this is still taken apart. So, yeah. Still got the O-rings. Looks like it's still got a lot of the screws and everything. Here's one of the coil packs that they took out, probably trying to get down to the cylinders and see what was going on in there. Damn. It's not to say it can't be saved. I mean, we've done it on the channel before. I'm sure it's got, yeah, it doesn't say what it is. I figured it'd say flood on. I'm certain it's a flood though. Man, that's a beautiful car. What a shame. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get out of here. Big shout out to all of you for watching these Copart walk around videos. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate Copart as well for letting me come out here and do this. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Leave your comments below, and until next time, stay safe out there. I'll catch y'all very soon in the next one.